Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock from wingtips, only way. Roast wingtips until deeply brown to build flavor, then transfer to a pot and cover with cold water. Add onions, carrots, celery, a bay leaf, and peppercorns, and simmer gently. Skim foam, simmer for 4 to 6 hours, strain, cool, and chill so fat solidifies for easy removal before storing or freezing. Roast wingtips at high heat for concentrated flavor, and keep an eye so they caramelize without burning. Light oil and salt help browning, and using a single layer on the pan prevents steaming. Rotate the pan once or twice for even color, then let the tips rest briefly before adding to the stock pot. These roasted bits are the backbone of a deeply savory, rich chicken stock that sings in soups and sauces. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with learning to save by making stock at home. I find it a friendly read while your stock simmers, and it offers down-to-earth financial advice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with cold water to draw out collagen slowly, and bring to a gentle simmer rather than a boil for clearer stock. Skim any foam in the first hour to reduce cloudiness and off flavors. Simmer for 4 to 6 hours for full body, then strain through a fine sieve and an optional cheesecloth. Cool the strained stock, refrigerate until fat congeals, then remove fat and portion for storage or freezing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.